Hello again, it's Noob, and this little 3-dial combination padlock was lent to me by my very good friend Yukov, who's also the admin on the UK Locksport forum, and this one's apparently made in Germany. It's a front dial combination lock, and I don't have the code. Doing a shackle pull on this to try and determine which wheel binds doesn't do anything at all, doesn't affect the wheels. But what's interesting about this, and I don't really know why, is if you turn one of these, the other dials like to turn as well. My conclusion is that it's just probably poor manufacture. Now, I don't know the code on this, but Yukov does tell me that you can use a decoding tool to try and find a notch down the side of the wheels. So let's give it a go. I'll try and move my camera in a little bit closer if I can and give it a go. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to use the edge here, the sharp edge, and run it like this along the dial until I can feel if there's a notch. So, and depending on I'll try and do it. If it just turns, I'll just turn it anyway and just try and find something. Ah, yes, already. So you can tell it's a notch because you can push it. Can you see that? You can push the dial using that notch. So I don't know whether it's on 7 or 8, that notch, but since I'm at that angle, I'm going to keep it on the 7. And we're going to go along this one, see if we can do the same. Now I'm going to have to remember that was a 7 because obviously these dials move together and that's really annoying, and I haven't got 3 hands. So we're just going to have to live with it for now. Ah, yeah, it's 0. So it's something 07. Let's see if this one behaves itself. This is my method of just trying to find. And oh, was that a notch? Nope. It won't turn that way anymore. Okay. Why? We can't find this notch. We can probably brute force that. Ah, no, found it. It's 6. So 607, wasn't it? I think is what I found. Okay, now let's see if that works. If not, then we'll move it forwards a number. So 607. No. So it could be on a lot of these dials. They're normally the opposite side. So let's. But you don't know how many. So I'm just going to move it one at a time. So that's gone from 607 to 718. Ah, that must be it. Well, that's unusual. Normally you need to move them at least 2 to 3, maybe even 4 positions around to get the code. So this one needs to open on the depends which way you turn it. But yeah, I managed to get lucky and turn it the right way, I guess. So 718. Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it's what it is, isn't it? It's clearly not a great lock, but it's a fun one to decode and a great one to use your decoding tool on. Anyway, if you like this video, please drop a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Helps my channel out no end. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or anything like that. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, I will see you all next time.